Corporate Social Responsibility (CSR) was introduced by the Companies Act 2013. There are certain criteria. If a company falls under those criteria, they have to comply with the CSR policy. First, we see the criteria. There are three things. One is turnover, the net worth, and the net profit. If the net worth of a company is more than 500 CR, if the turnover of the company is 1000 or more CR, and the net profit of the company is more than 5 CR. If any of the criteria is there, the company falls under the CSR policy. In case once the company falls under CSR policy, then what are to be done? The company has to establish a CSR committee. The CSR policy has to be established, and the company is required to make an expenditure of 2% of its average net profit during the last 3 financial years. Now, forming of the CSR policy. The CSR policy, in the CSR committee, at least 3 directors should be there, out of which 1 director should be independent director. In case a company does not have a independent director, then it can be formed without the independent director, and in case of private limited company having only 2 directors, the committee can be formed with 2 directors only. Now, what the committee is to do? The committee has to formulate a CSR policy. What the activity to be done? The activities under the CSR are mentioned in Schedule 7 of the Companies Act. They have to undertake one activity as per the policy, and they have to monitor it. They have to make a schedule of the policy to be implemented and completed, and how it would be done. Entire policy and monitoring is to be done by the CSR committee. How the expenditure is done, they have to ensure that the minimum expenditure of 2% of the average net profit is used for the CSR policy. Now, once the CSR is applicable, the board report of the committee of the company has to give some disclosure about that the policy has been the section has been implemented, the committee has been formed, and the policy is being implemented, the expenditure, where it expended, and other details. It has to be annexed in the board report of the company every year. There are certain points. The expenditure is to be done in India only, and preferably at the area where the registered office of the company is situated. The admin expenses should not be more than 5% of the CSR amount, and it can be done by the company itself or through any implementing agency like some trust or some NGO which is already doing it. So, it is in the interest of the company, it is interest of the society, so that that CSR policy is implemented properly, and company has to consider this, and once they fall under the criteria, they should go for implementing the CSR policy. Thank you very much.